Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Gone with the scooter. It was a summer afternoon. Gopi was sitting in veranda reading a book. Suddenly, he heard something rustling past and falling with a thud in the garden. He wondered what it could be. Perhaps it was a mango falling from the tree. Immediately, Gopi put his book aside and got up and ran into the garden. He searched in between the thick grass near the garden fence, but he found nothing. He looked among the bushes, nothing was there again. Then his eyes fell on a heap of dry leaves. There was a white ball on the his hip. Gopi rushed out and took the ball in his hand. It was a hockey ball. Thank you.